Hi, Cathy Bougreau, Boatshed Bourgogne. On this Tjalk of the beginning of the last century, here in the wheelhouse, the only steering position. (17 and 20 meters long), included the rudder. A new rudder entirely redone in 2015 by a professional. 3 meters for the beam, 0.95 for the draft and 3 meter 4 for the air draft, included the 2 solar panels settled on the roof. The last anti-foul and hull paint has been done by a professional in 2015. Here is the guest cabin. And the paint of the deck, the side decks and the superstructure has been redone this year in June 2018. The main cabin with a washing machine. The engine is a Mercedes OM321. The diesel tank of 320 liters, a water tank of 1002 liters, Cathy Bougreau, Boatshed Bourgogne. Do not hesitate to call me for further information.